Hey guys, welcome back to Gulfside Baitworks. Today, I feel like making something orange, so we're gonna make up a koi fish style colorway. And we're gonna put it in some big sticks because I don't have a lot of plastic at the moment, so we're using worm blend. And yeah, so we're doing a koi fish colorway. I grabbed Flow Orange, Atomic Craw, white flake, orange flake, and black flake. So let's see what we can do here. And I also grabbed chartreuse dye in case I want to make this orange a little brighter. So we're gonna see how it looks already, because what I don't want to do is opaque it out since we're going to use all that flake. So let's start out with 10 drops. And the reason I said I don't want to opaque it out, so I grabbed that chartreuse, is that chartreuse is just totally clear. Like I could spray half that bottle in here and it'll be clear. See, because this is a little opaque and it's not too bad of a color. In fact, I think it's actually good. I don't think I'm going to add the chartreuse. Well, maybe not. Let's see here. Yeah, see how there's still not a lot of color in that. So I think we will. Let's put 5 drops of the chartreuse dye. And I just want that kind of to help fill in. Yeah, check it out. Now it looks a lot more vibrant. Still though, I do think I need some more orange. So let's put 5 more drops in. Yeah, see my third one here? It's a much better orange. That's what we're gonna go with. All right, now let's get some flakes and whatnot in there and make this guy look like a koi fish. We're doing a bunch of flakes, so let's do 32. So first off, we got citrus orange, and this is a Lureworks. Everything except for the plastic is DOP. We're going to use a little bit of mica chip from 8-Bit. Everything else today is Lureworks. So that was the 0.15 of the citrus orange. We've also got it in 0.40. All right, we'll do a 32 of that as well. And then we got black. This is 0.50. I have black in like 8 different sizes, so I just grabbed 2 randomly. You can do whatever sizes of flake you want if you're going to try this. Looks like the other one I grabbed was a little one. This looks like to be 0.08. You gotta watch out with 0.08. It can be dangerous. It'll darken things. Now, the real danger though is these white flakes. This is the 0.015 white glitter. I swear to you, yeah, it's all over my hand already. This stuff ends up everywhere. And since I've only got one, I'm gonna do 2 32s of these because the other ones all had 2 different colors. And I swear, now for the next like 2 weeks, I'm going to find white glitter all over everything because that's just how it goes. Just check it out. It's pretty cool. I do want to get some shine in there though, which is why we're gonna add some Atomic Craw. Where's my, here we go. So we're also going to put a 32 of this Atomic Craw. Now I'm hoping we're gonna mostly get the gold out of it. So we'll see. I know it's gold. It's got some red backer, I believe. So I think it should work well with the other colors we got in here. Yeah, check that out. All right, I am going to throw this stuff on the mic to reheat, and then we're going to shoot. All right, we're back. See if we can make some koi fish sticks. All right, there it is on the injector. I think this is going to be cool. All right, we'll see you guys back in a bit once these. All right, we're back. Let's check out these stick baits and we'll see what they look like. Good, I did grab the right mold. Okay, yeah, these came out good. Look at that. Look at that. All right, so we got some nice sticks with a bunch of different colors in there. We got some shine going from that Atomic Craw, and then we've got a mottled look because of the different sizes and shapes of glitter. So yeah, I think it's a decent koi fish look. You could probably also do this like as a laminate and do orange on one side and white or black on the other. I think that there's a lot you could do because koi fish are so varied in their colors. But yeah, I like it. I think it's cool. I'm gonna throw this in some dark water. That's my plan and what I wanted to make these for. I want to throw them in some real dark water and see how they do. So yeah, I was thinking about these for a couple of days and decided that would be this Wednesday's video. I believe this is going to be a Wednesday video. So yeah, there we go. All right, well, let me set these up and I'll bring the camera around. How do you guys like to fish sticks? I like to fish them Neko style. Some people say Nico style, but I think when I see it, it looks like Neko to me because I know it's from Japan and the word Neko means cat in Japanese. So I know it's a style from Japan and it looks like a Japanese word. So I'm just gonna say that I think it's probably Neko style. Anyway. Yeah, so there we go. There's all our stuff we used. Yeah, a lot of materials for today's, but I think it's worth it. We got some pretty cool sticks here. Yeah, against the light they almost look amber, but then you can see that they're green, or orange normally. And I don't know how well the camera's picking up that Atomic Craw in there, but I can definitely see it in person. Yeah, so there we go. Yeah. All right, well, anyway, thank you guys for coming by Gulfside Baitworks. I hope you guys think to like and subscribe. And if you want to show somebody this, you can always share it. Well, anyway, thanks for coming by Gulfside Baitworks. I'll see you guys next time.